Hello, this is Rick from BRC Electronics. In this video, I will show you how to make a new project in CoIDE and how debugging works. This tutorial is made for the Simplecortex, but it will work with any microcontroller supported by CoIDE. To start a new project, go to Projects and click on New Projects. Here you have to fill in the name for the new project and click on Finish. Next, you have to select the correct microcontroller used for this project. The Simplecortex uses the LPC1769 from NXP. In this window, you have to select the common files used for this project. The C library, Simsys core, common header, and Simsys boot are always used for every project, so you have to select them in here. Simsys takes care of the low-level stuff, so you don't have to worry about it yourself. After that, your project is made. You can go to the main file and see that there's no code here, and you can start with your project. To get started with your first project, you have to build it first, with a button up here. CoIDE is based on Eclipse and is a quite powerful IDE. It can also autocomplete your code. To do this, type the first couple of letters of the code you want to type and press Ctrl and space together to autocomplete. For a new project, two header files have to be included. The LPC types header, which contains all the variable information, and the LPC17XX header, which contains all the low-level microcontroller stuff. As you can see, when you autocomplete and there are multiple ways of completing the code, you will get a small pop-up window and you can select the right code. After this, it is recommended to build your code again. I will now type a small piece of code that adds with a variable, and it adds 2 to the variable in the loop. This is the code required for this small demo. After building it, it is time to start debugging. It is recommended to put the Simplecortex in JTAG mode when you are debugging. To do this, press the button up here for the debug configuration. In here, select JTAG. It can be on SWD, but we recommend to put it on JTAG for better stability during debugging. When this is done, you press the button here to start debugging your code. All the code is now loaded into the Simplecortex, and you can see the code is paused at the first line in the main window. First, we will start by adding a breakpoint. A breakpoint is added by double-clicking in the bar before the code. Every time the code reaches this line, it will stop executing and pause, so you can see what value is in the variable at this moment. When you press the start button, the code will execute until this line is reached. When you hover with your mouse on the variable, you can see that it contains the value 2. If you press start again, it will follow up, it will add 2 to the variable, and it is 4, as you can see now. When you are done playing around and testing your code, you can press the terminate button up here, and you can edit your code again. That was it for this tutorial. If there are any questions, please ask them in our forum.